Be there. Today we're learning the phrase ease yourself back into something. It means to start doing something again slowly after a break. Imagine you stopped exercising for a while. You don't jump into hard workouts immediately. Instead, you ease yourself back into exercise. You take small steps to get comfortable again. You can use this phrase for work, hobbies, or social life too. For example, after a vacation, you might ease yourself back into work. Or after being sick, ease yourself back into daily routines. It's about being gentle and patient with yourself. Remember, the phrase is inseparable. You say ease yourself back into, not ease back yourself into. You can use other pronouns like himself or herself too. For example, she eased herself back into reading. This phrase is great for both casual and formal conversations. Try using it next time you return to something after a break. Practice by making sentences like, I am easing myself back into studying. Keep it slow and steady. That's all for today's phrase. See you next time for more English tips.